Hello guys! Sami here! I'm back! Actually, I was never leaving YouTube. Just a lot of shit happened. First, I got back to home the last time like 5 years ago. And for the first time ever, I view my hometown from God's view. And second, I got married. And I'm learning Cantonese with my wife. For me, Cantonese is like a totally different language. Don't need no more. And lastly, I found myself has a little bit of problem with health. You know, I'm having this hemorrhoids and it kept bleeding in the past, few weeks. So I realized, I sit down too much. So I decided to work out. I go to gym 3 times a week. Still hurts. But anyways, I'm back. Next, I will be focused more on Facebook, Instagram, or even Twitter. So if you haven't followed me on those social media platforms, please go ahead and keep you updated. And I will be posting more about, especially the Chinese tech news. DJI, which is my favorite, and Xiaomi and Huawei, those. Whew. Yeah, follow me. Right?